Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Today I will be reviewing a nail kit from Amazon by the brand Guffo, Guffo. Here I'm just opening it up so you guys can see what's inside. It comes with instructions, some rhinestones, and a wheel. I was really surprised to see the rhinestones in there. Here it's come with a finger or toe separator and pigments. I didn't know what I was going to use those for, but I knew I wanted to use them in this review. It comes with some brush on glue, some clear gel polish, and a rhinestone picker. I didn't have one of these. As you can see, I was extremely hyped. I opened that right away just to look at it. And here you have a wheel with some pearls. Also, if you're into sculpting nails or you want to try that and you're a beginner, they do include some stickers for you to sculpt your nails. It came with 2 gel top coats, and this is what the monomer looks like. I'm just wiping off whatever that sticky substance is that spilled. And I must say the monomer did not have an extremely strong smell. And it came with a gel brush and a small acrylic brush. That's about a size 6 acrylic brush, I believe. Here, a dapping dish. I don't have a dapping dish. I make all of my dapping dishes, so I was happy to get that. It came with some glitters, a brush, and some nails. I was also happy to see these nails because one, they came in a natural color and in clear, and you guys know I use this shape when I do nails on my display hands, so I was happy to see these in there. You do get 100 in each set, and they are nice and sturdy. They are pre-shaped like square. Square is in, tapered square and square nails are in style. And a cuticle pusher, a display finger, and a nail cutter. I needed a backup nail cutter to go into my other kit. Here they do come with 3 gels. I think this is one of the things that spilled. Yes. So one of mine spilled, but I'm still going to use it. It still had a lot of product left in it. And here I just wanted to open one up so you can see. I believe that was the pink that spilled, and here is the clear. I like using these to go over top of my acrylic because I really don't do gel nails. And I was happy to get all 3 of them in this kit. It does come in 3 different shades. Also, it came with 3 acrylic powders. Here it came with clear, white, and pink. So you guys know I couldn't do a review without doing a demo. So here I'm using my practice display hand, and I'm using the buffer that came inside the kit. And I'm just buffing those nails. And with all my nails that I use on my display hand, I do have to cut the corners for them to fit the display hand, but I doubt you'll have to do that on your clients. Here I'm just going in and sizing up the nail, and then I'll be going in with that brush glue. Let me just say, this glue is staying on my nail table. You guys know I am obsessed with glues that you brush on, just because 1, you get to save product, and 2, you have a lot more control over where you are placing the glue. I really wish in the beginning of my nail journey, I went ahead and purchased a nail kit from Amazon, because I spent a lot of unnecessary money through trial and error, just buying things that other YouTubers recommended, people recommended on social media. Instead, I could have got everything I needed in a kit, and I could play around to see what I was interested in most and go from there in order. I think we all started out with the Kiss nail kit from like our local drugstore for about $10 or $15. You don't get nearly the amount of products you get in this kit. This kit was $29.99, and you get to play in a ton of different things. I'm mad at myself for not ordering a nail kit sooner, just to practice with. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just here going in, filing the nail up a little bit, not too much, just because I'm going to keep it in its natural state of, square tips. I'm not going to do too much, but I'll come back and discuss more when we dive into the goodies. Okay, let me just say I had no idea what I wanted to do going in on this look, but I decided I wanted to use the acrylic and the pigment. So if you're a beginner, I don't know if you know this, instead of buying a bunch of different acrylic powders, you can actually buy pigments and add them to your clear and create your own powders. So since Easter is coming, I wanted to try a pastel tie-dye look, so that's what I did. I used the clear acrylic here, and I just dipped it into the different color powder pigments that came in the kit, and I must say this was like an extremely cute look. I am going to try this look on a client since tie-dye is in right now. Everyone's wearing tie-dye. I'm going to use these pigments on my clients. I love the way this look came out. So soft, elegant, it's just cute. So I did go in with my Cover NSI because I wanted to do a ombre look, just so that I'm not using up all of the product that came inside the nail kit on the nail hand, because I want to do another video using this kit just to show you guys different things that I didn't use in this video. So like I said here, I'm just going in very simple. I'm dipping into the clear, then I'm dipping into the powder pigment and just gently wiping it across the nail, just blending it. And I will say that this acrylic is the Easy Flow. So if you've ever seen your local nail tech use that on you, this is a good powder. This is actually my first time using Easy Flow. I think I'm gonna have to order some of it off Amazon, because I was scrolling and you do get a lot of product for your money, and I was reading the reviews. A lot of people do love the Easy Flow acrylic. So like I said here, I'm just going in with the clear acrylic and the different pigments, and I am using my NSI cover powder to ombre. I'll pop back in and talk to you guys when I need to explain what I'm doing. Can we just stop and appreciate how flawless this looks, how pretty, how soft it is? This is perfect if you're going to a baby shower and you are the mother to be. You can wear a look like this, girl or boy, or a gender reveal. Next, I am going in and vamping up the look a little bit. I was just going to go right in with the clear top coat and keep the nails like this. But I figured, you know what, Easter is coming, and I have been binge watching Zule's videos lately. I don't know, it's just something so common about her videos. Let me know if you guys like have a favorite person that you watch at the bottom. I don't know if it's because she curse a lot and I can so relate, like she's a family member. But yeah, I've been watching her videos, and she just did a video using the little dotter where you make the flowers. So I was like, you know what? I just ordered a bunch of nail supplies, and I got some nail mail this morning, and I finally got dotters. Can you believe I've been doing nails for a year, and I'm just getting the dotter tools. So with the dotter tools, I just went in and I dotted some flowers. It's my first time ever making flowers. I did leave in a little video clip just to show you guys, like in between me dotting, I did throw the hand inside the lamp just to cure it so that the gel polishes weren't running into each other, and the nails, the flowers can keep its form. But yeah, I just wanted to try this. I do have a nail haul video coming up. You do not want to miss it because it is going to be massive. I have so much stuff. I'm very impatient. I don't like waiting to go through my things. So, you know, fingers crossed that I don't touch anything else, but I did need to touch this dotter to complete this video here. So sit back and relax and watch me doodle and make some little flowers. I was so tickled that I made these flowers, just because I'm not really big into nail art, but I do want to start being able to accommodate my clients when they ask me for certain things. So practice is always perfect, and I think, you know, they came out pretty cute. Be comfortable. I just started throwing dots everywhere. As promised in my last video, I said that this video would have a giveaway in it. So make sure you stay towards the end. I will be showing one lucky winner what he or she will be winning. Don't forget, I have maybe like another 1 or 2 giveaways coming up. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are following me on Instagram. I am Nailed by Shy on Instagram. So make sure you check me out over there. Give me a shout out and let me know that you are from YouTube. If you do nails, I like to follow everyone back. So just let me know that you do have a nail page. Also, I have to say this. The gel polish in this box is bomb AF. I am so happy it came with 2 polishes. As soon as I got done using this, I went right on Amazon. I was trying to find this polish by itself. I did nails right after this video on a client, and this polish is beautiful. Like, it's nice, it's glossy, it's thick, not to the point where it's gulpy, but this is a really, really well done top coat. So I'm gonna hop back on Amazon today to see if I can find this polish and see if the sellers sell this polish like by itself. Here it is, just a close-up. Look how shiny and nice it is. I will leave the link to this nail kit down below. So this part of the video I am filming the next day. I'm glad I turned my desk around. The lighting is a little off in my video, but it is fixed now. Here, this is what the lucky winner will be receiving. A box of designer logo foils. It comes with the Dior, the Fendi, Chanel, Nike, Adidas, and a few other. Also a box of 500 nail tips, stiletto shape. And you'll be receiving that. Also, you will be receiving 2 jars of confetti. One is a purple color and the other one is like a burgundy cranberry color. This giveaway is small. It's just a token of thank you for supporting me and commenting on my videos, subscribing, and all of that. So comment down below. Just let me know how long you've been doing nails. That's all you need to do. And follow me on YouTube and on my Instagram, Nailed by Shy. I'll check you guys out.